Unox के बारे में थोड़ा सा बोलिए, whatever, I mean थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं.
So Unox is basically an Italian company. We are based out of Padova, which is 40 miles away from Venice in Italy.
What the name you?
Padova.
Padova.
Padova is the place. It is 40 miles away from Venice in Italy. There, our owner, Mr. Enrico Franzolin, he started this company in the year 1990. And since then, in the last 35 years, today, we are the world's largest manufacturers and sellers of all types of ovens.
All types of?
All types of ovens.
Ovens, okay.
Yes, so we only make ovens, but we do convection ovens, convection with humidity. We do combi ovens, baking speed ovens, combi speed ovens, only speed ovens. We do big ovens. So basically for Indian market, from the range of 50,000 to 22 lakhs, we have all the solutions with us. So we provide solutions to hot commercial kitchens. We also have a team of 1,600 plus physicists, scientists and chefs who are working in more than 120 countries with offices in more than 80 countries. In India, our head office is in Gurgaon, where we have our experience center as well. But all over India, we have 7 Unox lounges, including Kolkata, where people can come in Shonarpur, where people can come, they can do their trials with their own food in our ovens and then make a choice of what to buy. Because we have the largest range of ovens. So it's imperative that we understand what a customer wants. So once we understand his needs, then we do the trials, we convince them. If they are happy with the results, then please go ahead and buy it. We have the largest team of service personnel in India, where we are the only people in India in terms of ovens who have their own payroll service team. So that is the most important part what you have bought the oven. So that is us, and please feel free to come over. And we have application team as well, including me. There are 4 people in India. We understand your needs. We work with you. We will tell you how to operate the oven, what are the features of the oven once you have bought the oven. So that is a free service. And not only that, we keep coming whenever you call us without any charge. So it's a complimentary service from application chefs with the customer. That is the start of a relationship, and then we keep engaging with them.
So you are Chef Nikhil?
Yes, I am Chef Nikhil. I am the National Corporate Chef for India, and I have a team of 3 people. One is Mayur, he is based out of Mumbai. Then Ravinder, you met, he is based out of Delhi. And then we have Shiva in Bangalore. So we have these 3 people all over India. Wherever the need is, we travel. We understand the customer, we help him out with the programs, and then they can replicate the settings wherever they want.
So how long you've been working with this particular...
So I've been with this company now for more than 2.5 years. This company in India has been there for 4 years now. So I've been, since 2.5 years. Ravinder has been there for almost 3.5 years. Right, so he's the oldest, in applications. Yeah.
And how happy you are with this particular company?
We are very happy. I'm personally very happy because it gives us a chance to communicate with a lot of people. We do a lot of exhibitions. We understand the pain points of a lot of people, and we are happy to resolve those challenges that they are facing in their kitchens. Because sometimes, their kitchen can be a very lonely place. Kitchen can be very tough to work.
Very tough to work.
So what we try to do is to resolve the issues, at least the challenges that oven can remove. So it makes their life easy. Chefs have a work-life balance that they need to maintain. They work hard at weekends. They work hard on public holidays, national holidays. So the least that the oven can, resolve their issues, the better it is. So we try to provide them solutions.
See, I have one question. That is, we ladies, women, we do the cooking at home. But when we see chefs all over the world, we find men are mostly they become chef. Why it is like this? But women chefs are also there.
Women
but
chefs are also there.
comparatively, more men we are finding chefs all over the world.
See, it's not, the passion is irrespective of sex.
That is okay.
It is not gender based. But what we have seen throughout the years is because kitchen is a tough place to work, right? Physically engaging. Not a lot of women used to come out, of their houses to do that sort of, because there's a lot of physical work involved. So a lot of, men took up the kitchen. Not necessarily that they were more skilled, but just because they had to go out to work. Women, mostly housewives, or they will find a corporate work. But now a lot of women are coming into colleges. They are doing a lot of baking. They are doing a lot of, creative workshops, and they are doing a lot of new concepts. So now we can, and a lot of entrepreneurs are also women.
Yeah, entrepreneurs
nowadays.
are there. Yes.
So now the wind is changing now, and more women are also working. But I think that wherever a lot of physical work is involved, people still go for male-dominated sort of kitchens.
And how, my last question is, how much you love to cook?
See, we are born to do that. I've been in this industry for 23 years now. I passed out my college in 2002, and it's been to 23 years.
That is from Delhi only?
Yes. So I have nothing else to do but to cook. Yeah, so cooking is life. We when we see things, we perceive in a different way. So for me, cooking is everything. We'll keep cooking all my life, but it's just that nowadays it's more of consultancy sort of thing that we talk to chefs and find out their problems. But cooking cannot be taken out of us.
At home?
At home, I don't do much because I don't stay home at a lot of time. Plus, my wife is a wonderful cook, so she cooks wonderful food. Also, I eat non-vegetarian stuff, but my family is vegetarian. So sometimes that also, my mother and all, they believe that I should not cook at home. So, but randomly I cook for my kids. They like this sort of food.
So how many kids do you have?
I've got 2 kids. One is 15-year-old and one is 12-year-old.
So daughters or?
No, daughter is 15 and son is 12.
Okay. Nice, very nice. Great. Keep going.